plane is on your route port for Iloilo. In command of this aircraft is Captain Orgil Cesar Par, the first officer Tristan Joy Manese. Our flying time is approximately 50 minutes. Malugod po namin binabati sa ating paglipad. Ang lipad na to ay pinungunahan ni Kapitan Argil Cesar Par sa tulong ni Universal Tristan Joy Manese. Kaya po ilipad ng humigkumulang 50 minuto.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life